Alright, I ran into a little problem trying to drain out the gas. A little too much in the tank than there is in the room in this bucket. So I'm going to have to go dump the gas out of the bucket first. Then I can come back and finish dropping the tank. Been working on that tire, getting rust out of that tire. And it seems like it can get this off. These 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, and I could put my new bumper on. This is on my 76 Datsun 280Z. That's what it looks like so far. Got some of this bondoed. He's the help with my brother. Thank him a lot for everything he's done, helping me with. Get the engine out. Gonna stroke it. Take a 3.1 liter stroker. That's where I'm at so far.